Alright, so here is the Georgia Candy Roaster, the moon-shaped ones, the thicker pieces with I left the rind on so I could differentiate which is which. That's the buttercup squash. The Kombucha squash is pretty small. I'll deal with that later. But I just wanted to cook these two up quick to see how they taste. And so this syrup here is just butter, sugar substitute, brown sugar substitute, some cinnamon, and a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. I'm gonna plate it up and then give it a try. All right, so the Kombucha or the buttercup squash pieces are big, so I heated them up in the microwave before I put them in the syrup. So we'll see. So I'm gonna plate a couple up. And then we'll let it cool down some. It's very hot. And again, the sugar syrup is, which is the fake sugar syrup, I guess I should say, is pretty hot and sticky there. So I'm gonna let everything cool down a minute. And then I will come back. I'm gonna pause and then I'll come back and give everything a taste test. Alright, so I had to let things cool down because it was hot, so I got a fork for my wife to try and a fork for me. So I'll try it first and give my thoughts, and then I'll let her try it and she'll give her thoughts on it. So this is the Georgia Candy Roaster. So it's nice and cool down. I'll try it. It's really good. Tastes very sweet potatoey. And I believe it would be even sweeter if I had properly let that plant grow to bigger size. Again, I was afraid to let them grow because I didn't want the squirrels or anything to get to it. But yeah, it's really delicious. Okay, so now I'm going to try the buttercup squash. Now this tastes exactly like sweet potato. This is, again, I think if this was cured longer, it would be more sweet potato. This tastes exactly like sweet potato. And this wasn't even properly cured. I mean, this wasn't even fully developed. It's delicious. Wow. That's awesome. This is like, so it's basically me eating like pie. That's really cool. So I'll hold the camera for you.
Whoops. All right, this is my piece.
Okay. Oops.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's not as sweet.
But it's still delicious.
Yeah. Now that one, well, I'll let you give your own opinions on it. Okay.
Oh yeah. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's dessert. This is this in this stage. This will be great savory, I think. You know, because like it's kind of a little almost potatoey.
Right.
You know, a little bit starchy tasting. The buttercup, even at this stage, is dessert. That's pure. It's pure. That's pure sweet potato.
Totally delicious.
So I'm gonna eat. All right. So that's a look at what I'm doing with some of my harvest. And again, I've got a ton. I mean, that was just a few slices off of that one. So and that's the baby one.
Right.
So that's really awesome.
It's so good.
So I'm looking forward to making pie and I'm definitely gonna grow the buttercup, but I'm gonna use different seeds because the seeds that I got only seem to grow one. Like I grew one buttercup inside.
That was the store seeds, though, right?
Yeah, it was from the store. So I'm gonna use like Baker Creek or somebody else's seed to see if I can get a more prolific plant. Because the one from the store, again, it was free to me. And so yeah, let's go ahead. Apparently she likes it. All right. Any comments, questions? Leave in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day. Delicious. Did I candy some more of this buttercup squash? Yes. Yes, I did.